go lai lai lai. Sheri kwa penzi lako natokwa wazimu. Kila unaponipa mama naguna kabubu.
Kwaramogi joluo no goyo ngero moro ni piny ok gorude bang' chandruok kendo mudo lak. Honorable Jack Ochieng nochako luongo romo maduong' kendo mama Nairobi RNG Plaza. Romo no endi mano yuore gi jodito madongo dongo kamuting'o Paul Peter Ochieng, Emmanuel Sogona Omondi kod jamedia mare. Romo no endi mano kelo paro matutu motelo ne yore mag manyo kura kata mag manyo mbulu, okenge mowinjo keti kendo lokruok mag mowinjo keti mar keto kata chiwo yore ni obiro lande kaka jaloch motelo ne yiero no endi.
Strategy. Kama una strategy, you can have words, you can have the money, but you must find something that your opponent is not doing, then you do it. If your opponent is not giving money and you have the money, you give the money. If your opponent is not doing, maybe mobilizing people and you have the capability, you do it. Another thing is communication, like my brother just said. You know, what the problem we are facing right now as how this team, what I know, is called communication. Hiyo shida tuko nayo kabisa. Hatuongei. Miadi hiyo group nashindwa niseme nini. Because Jack anaweza kuja aseme good morning, tunaangalia hata hakuna mtu anajibu. Unaona? So communication iko hapo, kuna shida kubwa sana. Kuna energy. Hadi unajua unashindwa unataka kusema nini. You don't have the energy. Yeah, you know, and politics needs energy. Hadi ukienda mahali uongee, people feel that you are there. So energy hatuna kabisa. So on my part, I think what we should do as everybody, inaitwa tuchukue tu responsibility, and I'll start with myself. Tuchukue tu responsibility to tuchukue kitu kama yetu. We give it our best.
Pachijopiny kendo timo larruok gaput mare. Honorable Jack Ochieng nochuoyo koke kendo landa yanga nobro sidho lek mare laro kom mar MCA ma East Kamagambo 2027 dwe mar 8. Nyasi moendi mobro bago kar par mare Nyang'ao.
Let's engage, my friends. I know we are capable. In politics, we can work with so many things. Haitakuwa mbaya if you refer me to someone you know who can help me. So just help me the way you have a willing heart to help, so that we can reach far. So naongeza sana tena kwa kuja kwenyu. Mimi nimeshukuru sana. Sikuwa na expect mnaweza kuja, but you have made the effort to come. So thank you so much, and I really honor you people. And even as we will be departing to go to our various homes where we stay, God be with you until we plan next. Let's make things which we discussed into action, so that we can be fun. I know we'll consider all things which we have discussed here today, so that we make sure we are moving on to the right way. Otherwise, thank you.
Kasigunga Kuki County ma Nairobi, and David Onyango, RNG Plaza.